Hello guys, in today's video let's solve problem number 74 on LeetCode. Search a 2D matrix. In this problem we have a 2D matrix with arrays inside that are going in ascending order, and we also have a target that we need to find. So if we find it, we will return true. If not, we will return false. So how can we do it? The simplest solution, of course, would be accessing each array and searching the number 3. It will have the complexity of O n squared, but also we can do it with binary search and not iterating through each one and doing it with binary search algorithm, but it will also be have the complexity or n squared, but a bit faster because we will implement it with binary search. But actually, what we see here, and if we could have an array, just an array, we could solve it like a binary search, but it is a matrix. Maybe we can find a way to access each value in it, like it is an array, not a matrix, and yes we can, and let me show you how. For example, we have our example from LeetCode here, and in the binary search we would have the mid here. It would be 11 because let's imagine that it's not a matrix, it's just an array. So the first will be null and the last 11 because it is a matrix with 3 elements inside, and each element has 4 elements inside. So 3 multiplied by 4, it's 12, and 12 minus 1 is 11 because the arrays are starting from index 0, so the mid would be 5, and we know that it's 5, but if we would access it like that, it will be out of bound. But actually, if we will divide 5 by 4 like that, we will get 125. And if we will round it, so we will have just 1. So our array 1 here, this array, and if we will 5 do modulo of 4, we will get also 1. So it is 5, right? And we know it's second array because in first one are 4 values and 5 obviously is here, but it is 2D matrix, and if we divide it by the length of the array inside, we will get 125. We know it's because 25, it's because it's like if it would be 2, it would be this array, yes, but it will be this, right? Because we floored it, and the remaining is exactly this element that we need, because 25, right? It's like 25%, so it's the second one, and yeah, like that we can find it, and yeah, our mid, we can now start to implement it. Let's have our full size, and our full size will be matrix 0, length of matrix 0, no, matrix 0, yes, actually length of matrix 0 multiplied by length of just matrix minus 1, and the row will be len of, let's actually do it like that. So our row will be like that, and think it is more cleaner if we would do it like that. So, and after that we will have I guess let's actually copy this. So yes, let's copy this, and we have our left that will be 0, our right will be full size. Our mid is like that, yes, but our number, for our number, we will access it like that, row, and rows element, and yeah, and it is matrix. I can't come up with a better name for this one, but I guess it's okay. So, my god. So row, actually let's call it row size, full size, row size, and Python we do it like that. So, and here the row will be it will be mid divided and rounded by the row size. And I see here that we have row, it should be row size, and our row element will be modulo from it, so like that. And here we should actually return here not -1 false, and here we should return true. Let's test it. Of course, with a capital letter. Let's try it again. And yes, and let's submit it. So yes, like that with bits, and yes, it is all that we had to do just to imagine it like an array and find the mid. You using two for loops, but just this trick, and the other part we learned it in previous video, the binary search. So that's it, I guess. Thank you for watching. Leave comments for my improvements, and subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. Bye.